What's up, guys? Today we are checking out this abandoned house in the middle of a jungle. As you can see, this is definitely a jungle. This looks like our way in. You know, stickers on my pants, so so creepy. Literally open. So you can now get a little view. Jeez. That'd be so dank. Wow. I know there was more on the inside here. Boarded up doors. The only door that was open. There's another way in, but this is a much easier way to get in. The scary part, or not scary, but the scary part is that this stuff could fall down at any moment. There's another doors. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's go through it a bit more. You can see we got some very old shit that haven't been touched in years. You know, milk jug, light bulb. I know the power honestly doesn't work because the meter on this thing is gone. Pallet. What the heck? We got handcuffs? I never seen. Say hi to the jungle. What the heck? We got handcuffs. That's kind of creepy. If you have the extra light on, you got way more to focus. Which way is it? Oh my gosh. These some old glasses that have been sitting here for several years. This area of the roof's completely collapsed. That'd be so cheerful. And yeah, I have no idea what. I think that this was bigger than this. Maybe this thing was bigger. Yeah, honestly, it's tiny little building here. We're pretty invisible. We have an antique trunk. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna stuff you. He's so cute. There's a cobweb. Some old parts for domino. But yeah, pretty neat little exploration. Tiny and abandoned building.